Hello beautiful people and welcome back to my channel, friends. I think it's Happy New Year, maybe. Just been on a roll with filming makeup tutorials and stuff lately, guys, so yes. So today, friends, we're gonna be going into the Disney Designer Collection Midnight Masquerade palette. Okay, I want to thank my beautiful friend Angelica for getting this lovely gift for me. I love her. Oh, love her so much. So I went with green today, guys, because I noticed that this palette, we're pink. Okay, it's very pink. Okay, and I'm like, I already have like the new, that Huda Beauty Nude Obsessions medium palette. A lot of pinks there. Okay, so I had to do a little something different. So I went with this. I hope you guys like it, guys. If you'd like to see how I did this look, please stay tuned. Alright, so again, friends, going into the Disney Designer Collection Midnight Masquerade Colourpop palette. Woo! Like this, friends. Okay, there's a lot of pinks in there, so I'm gonna be on this side today. Okay. Alright, guys, so we're gonna go into, by the way, I have no idea what I'm doing today, so we're gonna see how this goes. So I'm gonna go into Pip first. This brown shade seems safe to go into the transition to act as my transition shade, guys. Okay, so going into Fluffy blending brush, guys. Oh, there's no mirror in this. Just kidding. Just kidding. Be right back. Need to grab a mirror. Alright, guys, so don't laugh. I got the TATI Beauty one. I know I complained about it being kind of big, but it was the first one that was in my drawer, and I'm a little lazy, so it's fine. Alright, so going with Pip, guys. So that is the character from Enchanted, guys. Okay. Oh, I like this shade. It's nice. I like Colourpop. It's very affordable, and the quality is really great too. I like it. Oh, I almost dipped into the palette, guys. Alright, next, guys. I don't want to do a cut crease today, so I think I'm gonna go into Quasimodo Roher with another blending brush, guys. Nice clean brush, and I'm just gonna place that below Pip. Alright, and we'll see if I even leave this makeup on today, because I tried the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette yesterday, and obviously I wanted to try Ocean Ice right away, and those are one of the 3 shades that are not eye safe. I didn't think it'd be that bad, but I reacted quite badly to it. My next tutorial will be with that palette, so I'll show you the pictures of what happened to my eye. So at first I was confused because it stained red, so I was like, oh, okay, that's interesting, but it wasn't a stain, guys. It was swollen, and I had an allergic reaction to it. It was still a little red today as well, but I covered up with some concealer and powder so you didn't see it. But yeah, I'm really sad because that was one of the shades that drew me to the palette, and it's beautiful. It's so nice, but I can't put it on my lid. Oh yeah, and I can kind of feel it, my eye's still stinging a little bit, so I'll probably take this off right after. Alright, just to blend the 2 shades a little better, I'm just going back into that first brush, guys. There's no additional product. I'm just going back and forth. Alright, guys, I'm gonna go into Frog and Wife, this lovely green shade. Just gonna go into a regular eyeshadow brush, guys, and I'm gonna place that, I think, the outer half of my eye, guys, because that shade beside it, Royal Ball, is calling to me, so we're gonna apply that. Ooh, on the inner half of the eye. Ooh, I like that a lot. It's nice, guys. Okay, maybe inner 2/3 of the eye. I'm gonna go do that. Ooh, okay. Alright, guys, and then going back into that first blending brush. Blending any harsh lines. I got a little of Quasimodo in there. A little too much of it. Oops. That's okay. I try to blend that out, guys. But so far so good. I like how these blend at the moment. Okay, now for the inner first third of the eye, I'm gonna go into, I believe, Royal Ball. So this beautiful shade right here, guys. So I'm gonna use my finger first, guys. Ooh, I like how that feels. Okay, so first, ooh, yeah, oh yeah, okay, hi. Oh, I like that. It's like small glitters in it, but then there's also bigger pieces in there. And I'm just lightly dabbing, guys. Oh yeah, I like that a lot. Okay, I'm liking that, guys. More than I thought I would. That's cool. So in the pan it's quite white, but I'm wondering if it's because I'm placing it over Frog and White. It's blended out to a gold-ish color, guys. I'm actually liking that. Alright, going back into my eyeshadow brush, guys. I'm gonna apply a little more Frog and White, and I'm gonna blend a little bit better here too. Yeah. And for the outer corner, guys, I'm gonna go into Merryweather. This is lovely dark blue shade. I'm just gonna go, there you go. I'm gonna go with my pencil brush, guys, like so. Just a more detailed brush. And I'm just going to apply that right on the outer V, guys, just to create more depth in my eye. Alright, and then just going back into that first blending brush, guys. Just blending out any harsh lines. And I'm going to apply a little more Frog and White again because a little bit of the color got lost. Alright, my hand's starting to cramp now. It's okay, I'm almost done. Oh my goodness. Ooh, ooh, yes, yes, yes. I like it. Alright, so for the inner corner, guys, going into a more detailed brush, and I'm gonna go into the shade Spinning Wheel. Okay. Dabbing that onto the inner corner, guys. Oh yeah, I like that on top of a Royal Ball. Yeah, it's nice. Alright, and then for the lower lash line, guys, I'm going to go back into Pip and Quasimodo. I'm just using a more dense eyeshadow brush, guys. Alright, and that is it for the eyes, guys. I'm just going to put the rest of my makeup on, and I will be right back. Alright, guys, and this is the finished makeup look today, guys. Thanks again, Angelica, for this amazing Christmas gift. She knows me so well, makeup and Disney together. But yes, I'm excited to play with this palette more, guys. I really want to use floating lanterns next. Ooh, look at that. I know, all the glitter's the thing for me right now, okay? That's it for today, guys. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more looks. I've been on a roll lately. I'm kind of impressed. But yes, remember, you'll never succeed if you're afraid to try. Bye, guys.